날씨가 추우니까 이렇게 모자 쓰고 잠바 입고 지금 오렌지 한번 잘 익었나 보러 갑니다. Oh, I see. Yep, some are ready.
All right, grab
That
your
one.
temporary orange puller out.
Yeah, that one. Definitely one. It's the temporary orange peel. Oh my gosh, that's so funny. How am I supposed to grab it?
Well, if you put your fucking phone down, you could reach up there and grab it. Holy crap.
Wait a minute.
Here, give
Wait
me
a
your
minute.
phone, and I'll let you do the work. Oh my god.
Pants are falling off.
Your pants are falling off. You got worse problems, right?
That one is one of the biggest ones. Come on.
I thought you were going to twist them. Oh, okay.
Whoa.
Down she goes.
Smell. Smell.
Oh my gosh, that's orange smelling.
Some more. Come on, you can do it. Wow, look at that. Let's see. Sweet. Some are ready. Most of them are not quite ready. Nice. Really? Let me go look at that. Oh yeah, definitely. It's much better than last year.
Yeah.
Oh, good looking size.
Juicy, juicy.
Juicy orange. Yep. Kids will be happy. Definitely. Happy.
This is how it is.
Yeah.
It'll come along, it just takes longer.
This one,
Yeah.
I'll say this tree is the biggest tree, but it's got the smallest oranges on, and
Yeah.
could be the sour orange.
Uh.
That's just
Well, sometimes the biggest tree's got the smallest oranges. Yeah.
yeah. Got you. This one's dry. Not quite ready. Yes.